Welcome to the BlendFlex overview. You may have heard a lot about BlendFlex and are probably wondering what it means. BlendFlex is a delivery strategy being employed at UCF due to the COVID-19 situation. It allows for some flexibility for selected courses that have face-to-face elements in case of changing circumstances as the semester goes along, so that we can continue to teach our students while also maintaining safety and academic quality. The idea of BlendFlex is that face-to-face and mixed-mode classes will be divided into smaller cohorts of students that meet the physical distancing guidelines for the classroom space. Students would then alternate the days they attend class on campus with the days they attend remotely by cohort. For example, if a class meets Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, a student's cohort would be assigned to attend on campus one of those 3 class days. If their on-campus day, for instance, is Monday, then for the Wednesday and Friday classes, they would attend remotely by watching the session live streamed or watching the session recording later. You and your department will decide how to split the students into their cohorts. Very large sections may need to be split into additional cohorts or have different meeting patterns. The bottom line is to allow you to use your current syllabus and your same lesson planning because each cohort is a subset of the overall section. BlendFlex enables you to continue teaching as you normally would, as if it were the same group of students always attending, because in a way, they are always attending. They're just doing it remotely for part of the time. We encourage you to be creative, but also mindful to ensure that all student groups benefit equally from the face-to-face context, such as with demonstrations or role plays or other physical activities. Classes will be recorded using either Zoom or Panopto in the classroom. Technology is being added to over 320 classrooms where it doesn't already exist, and each room will have a USB webcam, microphone, capture card for video, audio cables, and the systems will be programmed to accommodate the BlendFlex delivery. You will also be able to use your own laptop if you prefer. You should not have to significantly modify your planned face-to-face pedagogy, but some minor considerations will need to be made. For example, use asynchronous online discussions as opposed to requiring synchronous or live discussions, because some students will only be participating asynchronously at off hours. Also, you will not be able to write on the whiteboard because remote students will not be able to see it. So you'll have to use the document camera for anything that you would have put on the classroom whiteboard. In order to accommodate your remote students, you will need to stay in the general area behind the classroom podium, so they will be able to see and hear you. Please keep in mind as you plan your courses that at any time during the semester, instruction may have to move entirely remote. In addition, you may have students who need to quarantine or self-isolate. For these reasons, you are encouraged to have all assessments, such as exams and quizzes, in web courses at UCF rather than the classroom. Communication is key to a successful BlendFlex experience. Add a statement to your syllabus about how you plan to use BlendFlex in your course. Remind students, we are doing this to maintain the academic quality of your course while accommodating social distancing and keeping everyone as safe as possible. Whether it be helping you decide which platform best suits your needs, either Zoom or Panopto, or how to put assignments and exams in web courses at UCF, the teams at the Division of Digital Learning, the Center for Distributed Learning, and the Office of Instructional Resources, especially the Faculty Multimedia Center, stand ready to assist you with whatever you may need. For more information on BlendFlex delivery and other resources, please visit us online.